1. Connect to device. P15 supports to replace the socket. The available sockets to be replaced include BGA 110, BGA 70, BGA 60, BGA 315. This time we take BGA 110 NAND socket as reference. Insert the NAND socket into P15. Place the BGA 110 NAND into the card slot by aligning the pins. Connect the P15 to the computer with a data cable. After connecting, open Jcid Repair on the computer. Click P15 in the upper left corner. Select the P15 port. Click Connect. When automatic query and automatic Wi-Fi combine are turned on, P15 will read the NAND data and combine Wi-Fi automatically. To read this, click Query Info. When the query and Wi-Fi combine functions are turned on, P15 will read the system data and combine Wi-Fi automatically. If it is not read automatically, you can confirm whether the query and combined Wi-Fi functions are turned on. Click Connect. It will read the system automatically, or click the Read button manually to read the system data.